Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting on Jitsi and the features found on Jitsi and how to use them. So you go to Google search and type in Jitsi Meet and click on Jitsi Meet. Type in the title of your meeting. Jitsi first meeting, click on go. Right, you can see the features here, like if you want to share the screen you can click there. If you want to raise your hand you can click there, and this one is for chatting. And here you can mute or unmute the microphone. You can add the meeting here or leave the meeting. You can switch on or off the camera, and here you have information on where you can actually share the link to the meeting. And let's see what is on table title. Okay. Okay, and we look at more actions. These are different views. Different features. Like we have how to manage your video quality. Like if you want a higher definition or whatever, you can click on it and see what happens. Yes, low, low definition, standard, and high. So you basically just click on that, what you want, and then it's done. So you have, so if you do full screen you can do that. Start live streaming, start recording, share a YouTube video, and play my background if you want the background to be pretty. And the settings, mute everyone, speaker statistics, and view shortcuts. Let's see what's on settings. Right, we have camera, and microphone, which is by default, or audio output also by default. And then the profile, it's where you find the name, your email address. You don't see my email address here because I haven't signed up yet with Jitsi. And then you have the calendar, where you can sign up with Google or Microsoft. And let's go back to settings. Under more, you have options of muting everyone or hiding everyone, and also follow everyone. And you can also choose the language that you want to be used in the meeting. Yeah, I think that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you also in the next video. I can add my meeting now, clicking here.